Good morning, children. I hope you haven't forgotten Raja. Yes, Raja lived with his grandparents and uncle. Grandfather was a strong man with a loud voice. But grandmother always took care of him. Uncle was very close to Raja and he liked him very much. Do you know? He lived in a big house. He liked his home and the large garden around it. How beautiful it is! One evening, after a heavy rain, Grandfather was picking flowers under the sandalwood tree. Raja was making a shower by shaking the sandalwood tree. And Grandfather was soaked. Okay, what happened after this? Can you say? Yes, Grandfather got very angry and ran after Raja. Raja ran faster and Grandfather stumbled and fell. Raja feared that Grandfather would beat him. Okay, now tell me, what did Raja do? Yes, he went to the cowshed and took a shelter in the loft. Grandfather and grandmother were waiting for him. They searched for him everywhere. They were worried. Grandmother started weeping. Grandfather sat on the chair and closed his eyes. He was thinking about Raja. Can you guess what are the thoughts of Grandpa now? Yes, let's see. Oh, where is Raja, my little baby? I shouldn't have made him scared. Poor boy. He was afraid. What a lovely boy was he. Where is he now? My wife is blaming me. Oh, my God, save my child. Okay, children, now tell, where is Raja? Yes, Raja could see everything happening in the house from the loft of the cowshed. Cows were gazing at him and trying to talk with him. Grandmother was lying on the mat and crying. How much my grandpa and grandma loved me. He felt sorry for them. The news that he was missing spread everywhere. Many people were crowded here and there. Neighbors and relatives, policemen and the media. Everybody was there in front of the house. Okay, children, now imagine that you are Raja. You are hiding by the loft of the cowshed. Imagine that everyone is searching for you everywhere. You are alone. It is very dark. You can hear the weeping sound of your grandmother. Neighbors and relatives are searching for you everywhere. Now, what is in your mind? What are your thoughts? Yes, what will you think about your grandfather? What will you think about your grandmother? Won't you think about your uncle? Won't you think about your neighbors? Then try to write. Okay, and send it to your teacher. Bye.